you. Hi.
Yep.
Hi, Shay.
Oh, hi, Shay Weaver. This is the 253rd Sailor track at Astoria Boulevard. Come on, Omar. Let's go to the Manhattan portion. Before that, let's check the other side again to see how disgraceful it is.
It needs attention.
Of course, it needs attention, my friend. Let's go to the Manhattan bound track.
Seriously, freaking put NW.
Countdown clock. Alright, Manhattan bound track.
It needs some attention.
Yep, it needs attention. And we noticed that the station wasn't part of the Operation Track Sweep. So, its attention, it needs to be attended. Well, Omar, from 1 to 10, how do you grade the station?
I can't say. It's probably a 5. It needs repairs.
Oh yeah.
And plus, we're gonna have a very important announcement at the end, so of all the videos. So stay tuned.
But in the meantime, see ya at 39th Avenue.